Hello students, this is Dr. Sangeeta Birazdar from MIT Arts, Commerce and Science College, Alandi, Pune, Maharashtra. Today we will discuss the history of statistics. Let us see how the statistics get developed. It is believed that statistics has been in use from the time when man began to count and measure. In ancient days, various kings used statistics to keep the record of their kingdom. In India, an efficient system of collecting official and administrative statistics existed even more than 2000 years ago. In particular, during the period of King Chandragupta Maurya, 324 to 300 BC, in Kautilya's Arthashastra, he mentioned that even before 300 BC, there was a very good system of collecting vital statistics and registration of births and deaths. During Akbar's reign, Raja Toradmal, the land and revenue minister, mentioned good records of land and agricultural statistics. In Aine Akbari, written by Abul Fazl, we find detailed account of administrative and statistical surveys conducted during Akbar's reign. In ancient days, the role of statistics was limited to collection and interpretation of data. Later on, statistical methods were developed to analyze data and interpret it. Nowadays, statistics plays a role in every walk of life. Right from the simple situations such as finding average marks in examination to a very complex phenomenon like measuring changes in prices, rainfall prediction, etc. Many statisticians contributed in the development of statistics. Among them, we will take the information of few. First one is a Pascal. Blaise Pascal was a French mathematician and physicist. He developed the very first time the theory of probability along with Fermat. Fermat was a French lawyer and at the parliament and mathematician. He developed the theory of classical probability along with the Pascal. The third one is James Bernoulli. James Bernoulli was a mathematician and his most important contribution was in the field of probability, where he derived the first version of the law of large numbers in his work. Binomial distribution was first discovered by James Bernoulli in the year 1700 and it was first published posthumously in 1713, 8 years after the death of James Bernoulli. The distribution was derived from a process known as the Bernoulli trial, named in the honor of the James Bernoulli. De Moivre. De Moivre was a French mathematician known for his work on the normal distribution and probability theory. Some results on the Poisson distribution were first introduced by De Moivre. Laplace. Laplace was a French scholar whose work was important to the development of engineering, mathematics, statistics, physics, astronomy, and philosophy. The Bayesian interpretation of probability was developed mainly by Laplace. He remained a giant of theoretical probability for 50 years. His work, which we might call the foundation of classical probability theory, established the way we still teach probability today. He also proved that for large numbers of observations, the best way to fit observational data to models is through the method of least squares. Gauss. Gauss was a German mathematician. In the area of probability and statistics, Gauss introduced what is now known as a Gaussian distribution, the Gaussian function and Gaussian error value curve. He showed how probability could be represented by a bell-shaped or normal curve which peaks around the mean or expected value and quickly falls off towards plus or minus infinity, which is basic to description of statistically distributed data. Carl Pearson. Carl Pearson was an English mathematician and biostatistician. He was he has been credited with establishing the discipline of mathematical statistics. He founded the world's first university statistics department at University College London in 1911. Pearson's thinking underpins many of the classical statistical methods which are in common use today. He defined the correlation coefficient as a product moment and studied its relationship with linear regression. He introduced moments as a descriptive statistics and for the fitting of distribution to samples. Pearson's chi-square test is a hypothesis test using normal approximation for discrete data. He gave the method of fitting a linear subspace to multivariate data by minimizing the chi distances. The first introduction of the histogram is usually credited to Pearson. Sir Arthur Bowley was an English statistician and economist who worked on economic statistics and pioneered the use of sampling techniques in social surveys. He produced a stream of studies of British economic statistics beginning in the 1890s with work on trade and on wages and income. Sir Ronald Fisher. Sir Ronald Fisher was a British statistician. For his work in statistics, he has been described as a genius who almost single handedly created the foundation for modern statistical science. His contributions to statistics include promoting the method of maximum likelihood and deriving the properties of maximum likelihood estimators, the derivation of various sampling distributions, founding principles of the design of experiments, and much more. For his great contribution to statistics, he is known as a father of statistics. Among the Indian statisticians, the work of P.C. Mahalanobis, Professor C.R. Rao, P.V. Sukatme, and Professor Huzur Bazar is remarkable. Prashant Chandra Mahalanobis was an Indian scientist and statistician. He is best remembered for the Mahalanobis distance, a statistical measure, and for being one of the members of the first planning commission of Free India. He made pioneering studies in anthropometry in India. He founded the Indian Statistical Institute and contributed to the design of large-scale sample surveys. For his contributions, Mahalanobis has been considered as the father of modern statistics in India. In his honor, we celebrate his birthday, that is 29th June, every year as a National Statistics Day. Professor C.R. Rao is an Indian mathematician and statistician. He contributed in estimation theory, statistical inference, and linear models, multivariate analysis, design of experiments, orthogonal arrays, biometry, statistical genetics, generalized matrix inverses. He has been awarded and honored with 20 different awards and medals. He has more than 200 research papers in his credits. He received 33 honorary doctoral degrees from universities of 18 countries. We celebrated his 100th birthday just now on 10th September. Let us pay a gratitude to a great work of Professor C.R. Rao. So, So many statisticians are there who contributed in the development of statistics like Neyman, Kolmogorov, Bayes, Chebyshev, Markov, Gosset, Poisson, V.S. Huzurbazar, P.V. Sukatme. So you people need to collect the information of their great contribution in the development of statistics. So this is the task for you to collect the information and present it. Thank you for watching this video.